Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am hand-holding you today. I don't normally do this, but I'm going to show you what I got for my food shop. And let's start with the fridge first. So inside the fridge, we have a pack of apples. These are British raw Gala apples because I'm going to make a apple pie. Behind the apples are a bag of carrots, plus there's a bag of carrots up here. So I got 2 bags of carrots. Then I got some big pack of mushrooms, which is really good. I got some vegan butter as well. For my husband, we got him some cheese, a big block of cheese from Aldi. Got him some Granny Smith apples. Got him some ham and some 2 packs of bacon. And the biggest tub of soft spread. Perfect for cakes and pastries and stuff. Then, as you can see, we get to these 2 compartments. So inside, this is my husband's side, this is my side, because I'm trying to keep everything separate. I bought 2 iceberg lettuces, so one's in there as well. And inside there's 2 broccoli as well. On my husband's side, he has cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and peppers and iceberg lettuce. The reason I'm keeping it simple because me and his meal plan are not. I'm doing a different meal plan for him. Basically, I'm trying something out. Then basically in the cupboard, this is the cupboard. It's a lot. So first of all, I got 2 sweet chilies. Love sweet chilies so much. The other sweet chilies just down there because I need to use it today. I got 4 tins of chickpeas. 4 tins of chickpeas, which these chickpeas are really nice. They are so good. So 4 tins of chickpeas. Got 2 big packs of these cherry tomatoes. 4 packs. Got a 4 pack of, oh god, let me just get it. A 4 pack of sweet corn for me and my husband. I might have it, but I might not have it right now. But that's the sweet corn. That's the sweet corn. What else did we get? I got him 2 tomato purees. Just because we need tomato purees. Because he wants to make his pizza from scratch. Then I got some kidney beans. Got some dark chocolate chips, vegan. Coco powder, which is vegan as well. But you can use this as drinking or for baking. Probably do it for bacon. Then I bought another tub of coconut oil. The Coco Loco coconut oil, which is good. Got my husband some groovy biscuits. He's already had about 1 or 2. He got some 2 pickles because he loves the sweet pickle. Then at the top we've got 1 self-raising flat and 2 plain flowers. Then I got some apps. We got some eggs for him. Some eggs. Then this is vegan, but it's different. It's really all it is. The ingredients is dry texture soy protein. That's it, and it's mince. So I could do like taco something with that. Then in this cupboard, as you can see, it's quite a lot. It's not quite a lot. We got him some crisp cheese curls, and then got some almond milk. That's what I got in there. Not very much in there. Just 2 things we got. Then I got some sugar. Then got a pack of lemons, which need to go in the fridge. Got a big sack of potatoes down on the floor. Just them potatoes down on the floor, big sack. Then he got some onions. Got some bacon potatoes. Got 2 bacon potatoes and 2 packs of sweet potatoes. That's all I got for my food shopping haul. Please let me know if you like me doing like shopping hauls like this. Just let me know. I can do more than them. But yeah, that's what I got. Hopefully you like this channel. Please give this big thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!